All right, folks, I want to just give you some brief notes on big ideas and quadratic functions from the textbook. I want to start out by talking about vertex form of a quadratic function. This actually also will connect to your Desmos activity that you did. The vertex form of a quadratic function from the textbook is f of x, which is the same thing as y, is equal to a times x minus h, quantity squared, plus k. And then recall from Desmos, is this determines if the parabola opens up or down. If it's positive, it opens up, and if it's negative, as a is negative, it'll open down. And also affects the a in front, how narrow or wide the parabola is. Okay. This h value right here, that is the x coordinate of the vertex. And this k value is the y coordinate of the vertex. Oftentimes, you will see this then known as the graphing form, is sometimes what it's called. So by way of example, if let's say f of x is equal to negative 2 x minus 1 quantity squared plus 5, what that tells us is that the minus sign, I know that's going to open down. And then because of these two values, I know the vertex is going to be at negative 1, 5. And then if I want to know the y-intercept, all I need to do is find f of 0, which is equal to negative 2 times 0 minus 1 quantity squared plus 5. Then this becomes negative 2 times negative 1 squared plus 5. That's negative 2 times positive 1 plus 5, which is negative 2 plus 5, which is 3. So f of 0 is equal to 3. And by way of graphing, this thing is the y-intercept. So if I wanted to graph that thing real quickly, if this is my axis, what that means is that I'm going to have a vertex at negative 1, 5, negative 1, up 5, 4, 5. And then the y-intercept is somewhere at 3, which means that the parabola is going to do something like that. And so that's how the graphing form is used.